Nick Rudder from McKee's 37 Marine and RV. Heavy Cut Oxidation Remover is the first step in our gel coat restoration system. This heavy cut cleaner removes oxidation and yellowing from all gel coat and fiberglass surfaces, painted and unpainted. Advanced diminishing abrasives remove years of built up grime and oxidation while leaving behind a glossy finish. Lubricating oils ensure a long buffing cycle, so when you're working on a section with your rotary or dual action polisher, the product's not going to dry up or get caked up in your buffing pad. After you perform this step, follow with McKee's 37 Marine and RV Gloss Enhancing Final Polish to further refine the surface, maximizing the gloss before you lock in the shine with Carnauba Sealant Wax. That's McKee's 37 Marine and RV Heavy Cut Oxidation Remover.